This is Ukulhas, a paradise in the Maldives, or at least it used to be, but something is threatening this island's beauty. They are building houses, hotels, apartments pretty much everywhere, and that's destroying this natural beauty from the Ukulhas island. I came to Ukulhas expecting a tropical escape, crystal clear waters, white sand and endless relaxation. But what I found was an island at a crossroads, torn between its natural beauty and the rise of mass construction. Ukulhas Island is very much the same like every other island what we visit because of the many building activities. It's garbage everywhere. Ukulhas has long been a pioneer in sustainability, one of the first islands in the Maldives to ban single-use plastics. It's a place known for its eco-friendly vibe, stunning beaches and vibrant marine life. But mass construction is changing everything. New hotels and guest houses are popping up, bringing noise, pollution and threat to the very paradise that draws people here. So we just came to Ukulhas after a crazy ride with our speedboat. We are right now in Ukulhas Island. So the room looks very good. We have their balcony. The bathroom is very huge. So everything looks very good. When it comes to food, Ukulhas won't break the bank. I ate at several different restaurants around the island and the prices are pretty consistent. Breakfast usually costs around $5, while lunch and dinner range from $7 to $12 depending on what you order. The food was always delicious with fresh local flavors and the vibe was super chill. These three different dishes with the tuna, rice, noodles and chicken costs $18, something like that. Looks very good. It's the pepperoni restaurant here on Ukulhas. We are on our way to the Bikini beach. And like in Rasto, it's flooded. One of the highlights of Ukulhas is Bikini Beach, one of the only two such beaches on the island, where tourists can wear bikinis and soak up the sun in total freedom. The white sand feels like powder, but real. The turquoise water is unbelievably clear, and there's a stunning coral reef just offshore, perfect for snorkeling. Plus, you are never far from a meal. There are plenty of restaurants just 15 meters from the shore serving fresh local dishes. It's the kind of place that makes you forget the world and just dive into the paradise. And one tip, don't forget to bring mosquito spray. I spoke today a little bit with the locals. They said all these new buildings here are built by the Europeans or by the guys from Dubai. Honestly, they don't like it because that will destroy local tourism. They can't compete with so luxury apartments like they are building right now, and that is not good for the whole island, for the whole Maldives. Like you saw in Todo, in Rasto, it's almost same story here in Ukulhas. They are building everywhere. The workers they are from Bangladesh, Nepal. It was very sad to see all these workers working for, I don't know, few dollars for 1 hour, and they're sleeping there in these buildings, so they don't have rooms or anything. This is the reality of Ukulhas today. Mass construction is threatening the very thing that makes this island special, its untouched beauty. If this continues, Ukulhas might lose its paradise charm forever. But there's still hope. Ukulhas is fighting to preserve its beauty. If you visit, support local businesses and help keep this paradise alive. That's my journey on Ukulhas, a paradise facing a challenge. So, what do you think? Can it survive? Let me know in the comments, and if you like this vlog, hit that like button and subscribe for more.